Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are continuing our little knowledge of differentiation, and what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how do I find the gradient of a function at a particular point. Now, what we do when we differentiate normally, when you're not given a coordinate, is basically gives us a little formula, I guess you could say, to figure out, okay, if I differentiate, and my differentiated answer, let's say, was 2x, if I was to give you a coordinate, I could substitute it in and to find out what the gradient is at that point, okay? Just note, I only actually need an x coordinate to actually find the gradient. Let me just repeat that again. You only need an x coordinate to find the gradient at a point, okay? Because there's no way to substitute y here. It's actually y prime. It's a different thing. It's the gradient function. So you actually only need the x coordinate here. Okay, so let's go through this example. The example is find the gradient of y equals 2x squared, take 3x plus 1 at 2, 3. So if you imagine you had your graph, this is not what it looks like. It could be, but generally, that's our function at 2, 3. What is the gradient at that specific point? Okay, so let's work it out. So the first thing is, if you've got a gradient, the word gradient, and you're given something that's not linear, the first thing you probably need to do is to differentiate. So let's do it. So y equals 2x squared, take 3x plus 1. dy dx is equal to 4x, take 3, remembering that 1 disappears. Okay. Now that we've differentiated, let's work out the gradient. So remember, this represents the gradient function. So whatever the answer ends up on the left-hand side will give us our gradient. So I'm going to substitute my coordinate in, but like I said, I only need the x coordinate. I don't need the y coordinate. It's kind of unnecessary in this case. Okay, so let's sub x equals 2. So dy dx is equal to, you can also write it in that format, by the way, without actually saying the word sub x equals 2. I'm not going to write it in because I actually wrote those words. So 4 times by 2, take away 3. 2 4s are 8, take 3 is 5. So that means if I really went in there and actually, got to that point, that specific point has a gradient of 5. So my answer in this case is 5. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.